Okay, so we've already made the dough and it's risen. And now I've divided the dough into 4 equal portions. So I need to roll each piece of dough out to about 12-inch circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. You'll see why in a little bit. But you're gonna roll each piece out, pick the whole thing up, and flip it over flip on that, and peel it back.
Wow.
So now I'm going to put some jam. You can use any jam you want. We're using cherry jam tonight. And the whole recipe is 3/4 of a cup. So in between each layer, I'm gonna do about 1/4 of a cup. And I'm just eyeballing it, but it'll complete with 3 layers. And now I'm putting the final layer on top. So I just love that I can take my roll pat and line it up where it needs to be, and then peel it back. So now we're going to turn this into a star. So you take one of your round dough cutters and you place it in the middle, but you don't press it down because you're not actually cutting. So now we're gonna go and we're going to cut this into 16 triangles. Now we've cut into 16 triangles, and now the next piece is to twist them. And this confused me at first. I just want to show you. So you grab 2 pieces and you twist them away from each other twice. Okay? And then those ends are going to pinch together. And then you twist away and pinch. Okay, so now we've twisted them all, pinched together, and now we're going to cover it and let it rise. And when I need to cover something, I always cover it with another bond mat. So we're gonna let that rise about 30 minutes. It's baked, we brushed it with butter, it's cooled, and now we're gonna sprinkle with powdered sugar with our Sift and Go. Look how pretty this is. Looks like a dusting of snow.